This is a generic spring innovative door stopper. Let's go check it out. So we have a paper here introducing this door stopper, and it shows also how it works. As you can see right there. Yeah, I guess this one is helpful when your door is always closing when you need it to be open. Yeah, so let's check it out. So this is made of plastic, and it is, yeah, it's also here. So it has three parts. This is the second one and third one right there. It has a nice texture to it, as you can see there. It also comes with a very nice double-sided tape. We will find out where it will go. Yeah, it's pretty durable, I guess, because it's elastic, as you can see there. So that will help with the durability of this one, and with the texture right there is pretty nice. And this one's not that heavy, and I guess it will go like that. And this a circle one, almost a circle one, will go right there in the hole right there. Yes, and yeah, I guess that is where it goes. Let's put this double-sided tape right now. This big one goes here. Okay, and the other one, small one, goes right there. Okay. Okay. So now it's secret there. We are going to install this on a door and see if it works. And we'll check if it's any good. Let's try to remove this cover right here and just install it there. Okay, that one goes there, and this, okay, let's try and check this one. Yeah, I think the double-sided tape is good enough for this one to stop this door from moving. And yeah, so this is how it works. Let's put this one right now to the floor and see how good it is. Yeah, and it goes there, just like that. Okay, I'm just trying to get a proper angle here. Yes, slide it in there and let it stick. You can see there. Okay, that's good. Now let's test this out. So yeah, this is how it works. It really stops the door from moving, and when you're not using it, you just have to press that part there, so it will come off. But yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, so that is how it works. It just slides in there, and if you're not using it, you just have to press with your foot. But yeah, and it's very sticky, as you can see there. So this one's very nice. So I guess that's it for this generic spring innovative door stopper. Thank you for watching.